Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. So glad you're here, and if you are new, my name is Teresa. So we're about to approach a new year. That means we're going to be packing up holiday decorations. And what kind of packer are you? Do you pack all your holiday decorations up? Do you leave some of them out? That's what we're going to go through today's video. You know, we don't have to pack all of our decorations up. We can leave some of them out for the winter months just to keep our home warm and cozy. So today's video, I'm going to show y'all some ideas of things that we may take down in our holiday decorations and pack up, and things that we can use to fill those voids and spaces just to keep our home warm and cozy for the winter months. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. The first thing I'm going to show y'all is how we can make some decorative fillers for, our baskets or our trays. I just took some assorted fabrics that I have. I had some drop cloth, crochet doilies. The second one, the white one, that's just a car wash rag that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. And just some of those old coffee bean bags that I had. I cut them down to size. I rolled them up, and then I just tied them with assorted, scrap fabrics, raffia lace, whatever you have on hand. Just roll them up, place them in a basket, add some vintage items with them, and you've got a great filler piece for your vignettes.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
I want to show you another way we can use some assorted fabrics. I just took some burlap, doilies that I had on hand, just fold those up in squares, stack them on top of each other, tie them up with some lace and some twine. This also makes a great filler piece for your baskets, your trays, just anywhere that you have a void and you want something, but you're not sure what. Stack these up, tie them up, and add them to your space.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself.
Now we're going to take some books, and I'm going to repurpose some that I've used in previous projects, but these are Dollar Tree books, and you can use as many books as you need for whatever quote you want to do. And I got the inspiration for this from Ashley over at Hanging with the Hughes, and I'll put a link to her channel down below. She made some books for Christmas. I'm going to make some that, are more of a winter theme, and this is the winter quote that I went for. I just basically printed it out. You just want to fold it over the book, and that way it gives you some good guidelines of how to cut it. And I just cut across those lines. Now, the font that I used comes from defont.com, and I'll leave a link to them below. But they have free fonts, and you basically just download it onto your computer. And this one is Veteran Typewriter. After I got my wording cut out, then I just used some Mod Podge to apply it to the spine of the books. Now, if you want a spine that's a little bit more smoother than what I had, you may want to check into paperback books. They may work a little bit better. This was what I had on hand. Now, just to add another little detail to the books, I'm going to show you a little inexpensive bird I got for $3.50. I just took it outside. I spray painted it with white. And like I say, I think this just really sets off the books. Added a bow to the books and added that more of a neutral color because that's what I'm going for. With the winter, I'm just trying to bring in more of those neutrals and just kind of make it like a little, little winter wonderland inside.
Whenever I see you,
hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel, and we also, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube family, we'd love for you to.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Now, during the holidays, I know we all have these empty cans and nuts. I have this empty nut can left over, and I'm going to show you what we can do to it by just wrapping some burlap around it. This is a can that I had left over from baking the other day, and I posted a video on a healthy version of banana bread. I'll leave a link to it down below if you want to go out and watch it. But this little can, you know, and I've featured Clabber Girl cans in some of my staging before, and they look awesome. So don't pitch those little cans, because, you know, you can just get that little vintage vibe right there with no work. We didn't have to do anything to that little can. So I just want to show y'all, give y'all some ideas and inspiration of things that would normally throw in the trash, you know, things that we can do to them to fill those voids in our home after we take down some of these holiday decorations. I want to throw in here too, if you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I love, you know, go yard selling and go to thrift stores. And a lot of these items you're seeing here, I've thrifted. That rolling pin only has one handle, but it works great. I think I paid $1 for it. I love cheese graters, and I got this one at a yard sale. I think it was $1. And, you know, and I just add old vintage recipe cards that was Ben's grandmother's. And, you know, like I say, you don't have to spend a lot of money on your decor. You know, you can go to thrift stores, yard sales, and pick up things. And like I say, a lot of times things that we would pitch in the trash, you know, if we just hang on to them, and we can just, you know, make real inexpensive decor. But it really brings so much character and detail to your space.
You set my world on fire.
If you are new to our channel, I just want to give you a little bit more ideas of things that I do here on our channel. If you like to decorate your home on a budget and using items that you've thrifted, you know, things you can resource around your home, or just DIY projects, I feel like you've come to the right place. I not only try to give you decor ideas and inspiration, but I also try to capture a variety of ways you can style items in your home. And also, it's kind of like I try to bring you a virtual magazine. Another decor piece that I think would be a great addition to your home would be these half spears. I did not even know they had these. But anyway, it's just a half spear of greenery. I got this one for less than $10, and you just add these on the tops of urns, you know, baskets. You saw it on the nut can that we covered in burlap. You just can put these on just about on top of anything, just to add that little pop of greenery. And that little urn that I got, that was from a yard sale, and I paid $1 for it. And you can also find little things like that, planters and urns, at thrift stores, you know, a lot of times very budget friendly. So this video is going to be the first of a series of videos that I'm going to do after the holidays, you know, when we take down our decorations, and just show you ways that we can fill those voids and spaces. Some of these items you may already have in your trash, so you may be running your trash and pulling them out, because like, if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you know I try to be very resourceful. I try to use things that we may already have on hand, and just try to make and create decorative items for our home out of those items. on a budget. So we all are about trying to save money, and especially now after the holidays are over. That's going to wrap up the video for today. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you got lots of inspiration for decorating your home. We've got some really exciting changes coming up for the new year for 2021. So I hope y'all will subscribe and stay tuned to our channel, because we are going to be releasing a video here really soon to announce those big changes and, you know, the exciting news that we want to share with all of you. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a very happy new year for 2021. And I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all.